says there's no need to fear the drones. It was FAA research, but there are questions as well.
Jersey's mayors met with state police today to discuss the ongoing drone sightings happening all over the state. As News 12 New Jersey's Tom Krasnowski explains, there are still more questions than there are.
For weeks, people have reported seeing mysterious drones. As News 12 New Jersey's Amanda Eustace reports, federal authorities are now joining the investigation.
It was right there, and it was like, literally, it looked like it was the size of a little car. I mean, it was crazy.
Eyes have been to the sky for many the past few weeks in Morris County as residents have reported seeing mysterious drones at night.
You could definitely tell it's not an airplane. And it's much closer than an airplane. It's definitely unnerving.
But the sightings has many, including law enforcement, wondering who is putting them up and for what reason.